How you gonna spell my name wrong and you looking on the ID? It's all right though that my first name Christopher, it doesn't have an H in it. I know a lot of people get that wrong, but it's okay though. It's pronounced the same. What? No, I'm talking about C-R-I-S. Oh. Yeah, it's all right though. I know it. I know it. I guess it's pronounced the same way, so.
It is pronounced the same, but you're right. That's what I get for a second.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky.
Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Trucker back in this mother sucker, man. And today, we doing a little run real fam. We finna run over here to Humboldt, Tennessee, and head to Indiana with it. Got like a 2-stop load, but finna go over and pick this up, picking up at a Tyson's. Got my trailer preset on 0 degrees, so we got a time my appointment is. We got a 1300 appointment, 1 o'clock. But I was told that if I get on here, they can go ahead and unload me early or whatever. So we're finna try to go and get on over here and get it unloaded early real fast. Got a 2-stop load. That's the only thing I don't like about it. The load times are jacked up on it. So today is the 22nd, I want to say. Today is the 22nd. Okay, we're gonna pick this load up. Like I said, it's going to Indiana. Pick this load up. The thing about it is I can make it all the way to Indianapolis, Indiana to the yard today. You know what I'm saying? But see, in a perfect world, I'm thinking, okay, I can pick up the load, drop it off at the yard so a local driver can do all those times. Okay, the time frames are pick the load up today, okay, go to Indianapolis, like Shelbyville, Indiana, which is where the first part of the load getting took off at. That appointment time is at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, which is 23rd. And then the other part is due in Greenwood, Indiana at 2 in the morning on the 24th. So I told my dispatch, I like, man, it really don't make no sense to be on the load for 3 days when I can easily take it to the yard and, you know, say y'all get, you know, one of your local drivers or something, you know, get the load and go and do what they need to do with it. I could be getting another load going somewhere else with it versus just be sitting on this load not making no money, you know what I'm saying? So we trying to get that worked out. I'm gonna pick up the load and I'm gonna call him again, see what he done came up with. But it's like these truck drivers, man, y'all be pulling out these side routes, man, at the wrong time, man. Like, why would you pull off when you got all these folks coming? Come on, man. And you hauling gas, you hauling diesel, I mean, you hauling fuel too. It's crazy. No matter what you haul, it's all about time and things, man. Just, anyway. So yeah, we on our way over here. We got about another 40 minutes to get over here. I'm gonna holler back at y'all when I get over here, man. So right now I'm just trying to get that worked out. I want to be able to get this load and drop it off and let somebody else do what they need to do with it. It makes no sense for me to be on this load for 3 entire days. Today is the day that I pick it up. Okay, boom. Tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. is the first half. Then the second day is the third day, the third half. I mean the second half. The third day is the second half. It makes no sense for me to be on the load for that long. So I'm just trying to work my magic, see if I can finesse that play, and see if we can make it do what it do, get something else and keep rolling, baby. So Handsome Mother Trucker, man, we on our way over here at 11:32 a.m. ETA, and I'll holler back at y'all shortly, man. Peace. All right, y'all, we done arrived. We're about to check in. We about to check in, baby. I'm gonna take y'all out of this. All right, let's go check in. Hey, how's it going? I'm good. Checking in. Express cargo. No, just me.
You have your ID?
Yes. How you gonna spell my name wrong and you looking on the ID? It's all right though that my first name Christopher, it doesn't have an H in it. I know a lot of people get that wrong, but it's okay though. It's pronounced the same. What? No, I'm talking about C-R-I-S.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all right though. I know it. I know it. I guess it's pronounced the same way, so.
It is pronounced the same, but you're right. That's what I get for a second.
Yeah. Pretty warm out here today. I'm about to come out this hoodie in a minute. Okay. Okay. I do. I promise I do.
What do you have it running now?
0.
Trailer's clean?
Yes, ma'am.
You have 2 glove boxes?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a safety belt?
Yes, ma'am.
You been here before?
First time.
So, what I need you to do, you need to slide those tandems to the rear.
Okay.
Speed limit's 10 miles an hour.
Okay.
Straight back to that water tower.
Okay.
That water tower, you're going to hang a right. You're going to go all the way down to the end of the building, the very last door. You're going to check-in, shipping department.
Okay.
You're going to fill this out before you go in there.
Okay.
Your 500 number will go right here. No electronics inside the building. Anytime you're outside the truck, on the guard, you have to wear that vest even when you go inside the building.
Okay.
So, once you take that into those lovely ladies and ship it, they'll boss you around like you're sniffing it up a try.
Gotcha.
Don't feel bad, they'll probably just throw your name tag.
Alright.
So, anyway, once you get loaded and you're ready to leave the property, just don't fill anything out except for where the packet says driver signing or driver signature, and then you'll fill in the blanks. And you'll come back on down here. If you need to scale, you use this one down here, okay?
Okay.
Because this one displays gross and you're hanging what you need to do one axle at a time to do your handles.
Gotcha.
And that way you have everything you can handwrite it out and do your own figures and total out. I do not print tickets, that's the only downside to it.
Okay.
So the other thing is that scale at the top of the hill is prohibited because that's for a live bird.
Gotcha.
You'll be carrying out live birds, you'll be carrying out dead ones. That's why you use this. If you happen to have live birds by chance, I will take pictures and I will use them. We don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, we ain't got to worry about that. Ain't got to worry about
Please
that.
take back up.
Alright, can I slide them back there?
Yes, please.
Okay, alright, thank you. Alright. I don't know if y'all heard the lady or not. She is a character. Alright, baby. They said we can follow directions. She said so much. They said we can follow directions. We're gonna put our thing on yard move. We're gonna creep on back here, baby. Water tower. Make a right, last door on the left. Say driver check in. Put my safety vest on.
Head to 550.
So it ain't gonna, I can't record in the building.
Tennessee.
I can't record in the building. They said no electronics in the building, so can't do nothing in the building, y'all. 10 mile per hour speed zone. Gotta fill my little paperwork out before I go in there. Okay, this the skill she said don't use right now. Okay, go all the way down. She said we do live chicken and she said you ain't gonna be carrying no live chicken, you will have dead chicken. Listen. Just one water tower. Okay, we gotta be over here. This gotta be over there. Okay. See, common sense is common sense, man. Sometimes, you know, you ain't gotta overthink sometimes, just use common sense. Go ahead and be putting on my safety vest. Shit, I really can use my shirt as a safety vest, man. It's highlighted. What about this? The old boy, he ain't even got his on. But look, one thing about me, I ain't no follow the leader type of dude. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no monkey see, monkey do type of dude. I'm finna put my safety vest on. But just cause he ain't got, just cause he getting away with it, don't mean he getting away with it. You feel me? Just because he getting away with it, don't mean he getting away with it. All right, y'all, we done got parked. I'm gonna do this paperwork before I go up in here. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I get back outside, baby. Y'all checked in, got our paperwork filled out. We just sitting back waiting on the door now, so she's supposed to be calling me in a minute. They got some trailer that they gotta take out one of these doors they gonna give me, so just waiting on her to give me a call and we can get our dough and we can get loaded, baby. So yeah, man, Humboldt, Tennessee, ain't too far from the house. Yep, for those who don't know, I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, so this like up the street. So we just finna sit back. Guess I'm gonna watch a couple trucker videos or something, but wait till we receive this call, get our dock door, and we good. We early though. Appointment at 1 o'clock. It's almost 12. Hopefully I can get on and get my dough, get worked on. Then again, maybe I gotta wait till 1 o'clock. You know, you never know. But they might just give me a dough, and they might not touch me until 1. It ain't really nobody here. You know what I'm saying? I'll show y'all. Truck over there. He doing a drop and hook. Just a little old me. A little old me, baby. So we about to make it do what it do, man. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man. We at this mother sucker, man. Peace. Alright, y'all. My wish came true. We got unloaded early. Soon I started to get comfortable, they called me. So can't forget the trick though. You can't forget this, baby. Can't forget our lock, baby. So we gotta secure the load, baby. Gotta secure the load. So we picked up in Humboldt, Tennessee, and we headed to Indiana, man. So I want to appreciate y'all for riding with your boy, staying tuned with your boy, and see y'all on the next video, man. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man. We out this sucker, man. Peace.
If you want the best of my heart, you just